Good afternoon. My name is Elizabeth. I am a Theta in the Brahmin Doctoral Program, and I am part of the Inland Empire cohort. After reading the first 5 chapters of Becoming a Resident Leader, I felt a bit intimidated to take the Philosophical Orientation Questionnaire. I agree that resident leaders need to have self-awareness and clarity about their vision and values, which is what the questionnaire provided for me. I felt fearful that my answers were not going to reflect those of a resident leader. The questionnaire allowed me to dig deeper into my philosophical orientation. I scored 7 points for intellectual value, 8 points for human value, and 5 points for pragmatic value. Although the intellectual value has the dominant score, the scores for human and pragmatic are not too far from each other. I can see how these 3 fit with my personal values, which are accomplishment, personal development, wealth, freedom, and stability. The intellectual value can be described as determining the worthiness of activities and how it can contribute to understanding something. This value resonates with my personal value of accomplishment and personal development. The human value resonates with freedom. The pragmatic philosophy resonates with my values of accomplishment and wealth. For me, wealth is not defined as materialistic, but as having family, love, stability, and accomplishment. A balance of it all. I am very goal-driven, and I thought that I was going to score highest in the pragmatic section. With that being said, my purpose is to create a positive environment where individuals have a sense of purpose and freedom to balance between work and life. This is my reflection of my scores for the philosophical questionnaire and how they correlate with my values and purpose. Thank you.